Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. Today I'm going to show you guys how to grow or start a pumpkin seed indoor. So basically, I have a small container, so as you can see in the bottom, lots of holes. And I got some soil, regular Miracle-Gro soil. And I'm going to plant one pumpkin seed. Yep, just one. I just need one plant, so I'm going to plant one seed. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to add some water in here. So basically soften up the soil, loosen up the soil a little bit. When doing your seeding indoor, I recommend put a piece of paper towel on the bottom, so in case you put any excess water and it leaks, it wouldn't dirty anywhere beside the paper towel. So I poured a little bit of water inside to loosen up the soil, make it soft, and we're gonna take one seed out. So that's a pumpkin seed. So there's one seed, lucky seed. We're gonna hope it grows. So basically what you do, press it in because the soil is already moist. You're gonna press it in, maybe that's like a half an inch right there. Then we're gonna cover it up. I like to press it down a little bit. I have a little tag. Just tag that in there, and then I'll just pour some more water in it. So pouring the water now activate the process of growing the seed. So guys, there you go. Very easy and simple way to start a pumpkin seed indoor.